Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the SteamVR error 301. So this error usually appears when the SteamVR fails to initialize properly. But the good news is that it is often easy to solve. So first of all, you need to completely close your SteamVR. Afterwards, you need to open Steam. Now hover over to the top and click on the option of library. In the library, you just have to look for the Steam VR and then right click on it and click on the option of close or exit. Now, after doing this, restart Steam itself. So this particular option is going to clear any temporary background glitches. Afterwards, you need to restart the VR services as well. For that, simply press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Then when you see this type of pop-up in front of you, you just have to type a command into it. So it is going to be services.msc. When you hit enter among the given folders, you just have to look for Steam VR services. After that, right click on the program and click on the option of restart. If you don't see it running, you can basically start it manually. Now you just have to check your headset connection as well. So you can disconnect the headset cable, then wait for a few seconds and then reconnect everything securely. If there is a loose USB or DisplayPort connections, these are the common reasons of the error 301. So make sure you check these as well. Now, if the problem continues, you can run Steam as an administrator, or you can just simply go to the settings of your Steam VR, then go to the developer mode and remove all the Steam VR USB devices. Afterwards, restart your PC and Windows will reinstall the fresh drivers automatically. So you can try these methods and see if it is working properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.